Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to turn your Shopify store into a mobile app? In this video, I will walk you through how to do it without needing to code, whether you are boosting mobile sales or creating a better customer experience. This guide has you covered. Let's get started. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about why you should convert your Shopify store into a mobile app. Mobile apps are faster and more engaging than websites. Push notification. Push notifications increase customer retention. Customers prefer shopping through apps, especially loyal ones. It helps build your brand and keeps users coming back. Shopify doesn't build app directly, but there are amazing no-code tools that do it for you. Some popular ones: Tapcart, no, Shopney, Global Apps, Magnetic. Most of these work with a drag and drop editor and directly sync your Shopify products, collections, and checkout. Let's walk through the process using Shopney as an example, but the steps are similar for other too. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Apps, then go to App and Sales Channel Settings. Now Shopify App Store. Now search for Shopney. Shop. Then install the app. After installing, you will land the Shopney dashboard. Now it's time to customize your app. Use the visual builder to customize your home page, product layout, navigation menu, and color scheme. And add banners, featured collections, product sliders. Everything is synced with your Shopify store automatically, no manual data entry needed. Now, choose your role, like team member or developer. Then next, then how many people work at your company? Only me or 6 to 10. Then follow the process. What would be a major challenge of having a mobile app? Design and launch. Does your store already have mobile app? No. Shopify App Store. What is your major motivation for having mobile app? Is mobile conversion. Then get started. Now use the visual builder to customize your home page, product layouts, navigation menu, and color scheme. Add banners, featured collections, sliders. Everything is synced with your Shopify store automatically. No manual data entry needed. Stick to your brand colors, fonts, keep it simple and mobile friendly. Preview often using the app builder simulator. Now, one major advantage of having an app is push notifications. With Shopney or Tapcart, you can send promo alerts, restock messages, or order updates directly to your customers' phones. Before going live, test your app on real devices. Most platforms will give you a test link or QR code to preview the app on iOS and Android. Check if everything works. Navigation, checkout, product display, and fix any bugs before launch. So select a plan from here. You can start with silver plan. Start with $100.99 per month. Here are all plans include. Go to design. Enter your logo from here. Go to pending page or from the left side menu. You can select showcase products etc. Then click preview. Before going live, test your app on real devices. Most platforms will give you a test link or QR code to preview the app on iOS and Android. Check if everything works. Navigation check out product display, and fix any bugs before launch. Once you are satisfied, you will need to publish your app. This means creating an Apple developer account, 99 cents per year, $99 per year. Creating a Google Play developer account, $25 per one time. Submitting your app for review. Your app builder platform usually helps with this. Approval usually takes a few days depending on the platform. Go to integrations. Or chat. You can add chatbot or chat list here. And that's it. You have just turned your Shopify store into a mobile app. No code needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments what tool you plan to use. So this is how to convert Shopify store to mobile app. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.